I don't think the significance of this can be overstated. And as you know, Mayor Henry, NIPRA, Northeast Indiana Passenger Rail Association, Pam Holliker, a number of folks in the city have been working for a long, long time to try to build a coalition. I've been working on this since 1999 when we were talking about when Paul Helmke was mayor, how we might bring passenger rail back to Fort Wayne. And so it's a long-standing effort, and we're not there yet, but this was a significant step forward. And all of these months, really years that we've been trying to build this coalition, it's among three states, Illinois, Indiana, and Ohio, finally comes to fruition, not only with the signing of a memorandum of agreement that says we're all going to work for this, we're all going to fight for this, but we're all going to put some money in. And, this is significant. Thanks to Pam and Mayor Henry and many others, I think on the Indiana side, and NIPRA's been involved in this, we see probably 50% or more of the funds that we had pledged coming forward. We think now with this memorandum of agreement being signed, that shows that we're serious, that we mean business, that three states are getting together, that we'll raise that additional money very soon. And then we can begin the process of taking this to the next step forward, which is a Tier 1 environmental impact study. We've done a business plan. At the request of former Governor Mitch Daniels, we hired a consultant. Mayor Henry put money in, NIPRA raised money, New Haven put some money in. We had a lot of private sector folks in Ohio, and the business plan was very promising. It said, as the release I think you have states, that this could not only be a big improvement for transportation, but it could eventually be a moneymaker and add a lot of jobs to the region. So that kind of prompted, I think, Governor Pence and others to say, Fort Wayne, NIPRA, others, take that next step. Let's see if we can raise the funds. You guys have to do this on your own. That's the way it is now with austere budgets, but if you can raise the money, let's go that next step with the Tier 1 environmental impact. So, like I say, the significance, I'm elated. The significance of this cannot be overstated. And the fact that we've gotten this far with the cooperation of all these cities, I think is a very strong indication that this project could go forward. But the next step is environmental impact, exactly what it says it is, and it's going to take probably a year or more to do once those funds are totally raised.
Mm-hmm.